Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can withdraw from Coinbase to your bank account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure to log in into your Coinbase application and also make sure to check your internet connection. After you're logged into your account, next interface will be directed to your home page. And once you're in this page, tap on the try bar icon located in the top left corner of your screen. After you tap on the try bar icon, from the other half tap on profile settings, which is right on top. So then on the other page, tap on add payment method, which is right in between. Now select bank account and then enter the account's name and then your bank credential. So then the second part of this process is to ensure that you have money on your wallet. And right over here, you also have to sell your cryptocurrency for cash. And if you've already done this part, then you can simply skip it and then move to the next process. So then tap on the trade icon located right at the bottom, and then there is a drop down menu. So from there, you'll have to tap on sell. So after you tap on sell, you can choose a cryptocurrency and then directly transfer it to your account, or else what you can do is you can simply select bank account and then transfer the money directly to your bank account. So then select the method that is convenient for you. So that is how you can withdraw from Coinbase to your bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.